Hey, what is up, guys? It's Faust here from Binary Marketer, and today in this video I want to teach you how you can get free signals from a website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So hey guys, before we start this video, I'd like you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notifications icon so you can know when I upload new content. So let's get into this video right now. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to go into the search bar right here. So once you're on the search bar, you're going to type in the name of the asset you want to trade. So right now I'm going to type in the Euro USD, EUR USD. So that's what I want to trade right now. So I'm going to type that in. So you're going to click on the search bar. So once you click on this search, it's going to take you to the main page. So this is the main page of the assets. You have the Euro / the USD. So you're going to click on the technicals. So that's the most important part. You're going to click on the technicals. So after you click on the technicals, it's going to take you to another page. So we're going to wait for that to load up right now. So the internet is a little bit slow, so we're just going to stick to that. That's what we got. So it's loading up, it's loading. Right, okay, right now it's loaded. We're going to scroll down a little bit. I'm so sorry for this, guys. This internet and the computer I'm using right now is very slow. So I'm trading on the laptop right now, so that's why it's really slow. So my PC isn't quite available. So once you're in the technicals, you're gonna scroll down towards a bar like this. So this is the most important part of this strategy. So remember in my last video, guys, I taught you how you can trade with the FX2 Pro. So basically what this is the FX2 Pro, but it's free. So you don't need to pay a dime for this. It's really free. It's available to everyone. So all you need to do is go to this website called tradingview.com. So once you're on this website, you're just gonna go to type the name of the assets, and you're gonna scroll down to technicals and scroll down. So once you're on a page like this, this is where my last video comes in. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description to the last video. So if you don't know how to use the FX2 Pro, so there's a video down in the description for you to check that out. So once you watch that video, it's gonna teach you how you can make use of this signal to get profits in your broker. So guys, this is a very simple method and it's very free for everyone. So you don't need to pay a dime. So this is just what I want to show you. So make sure the chart is in 1 minute first before you make a trade with the signals. As you can see, guys. So you must before trading, you must make sure this and the first one, the buy, the oscillators, the summary, and the moving averages are on the same. So the most important part is this moving averages and the summary. So the summary and the moving averages are the most important. The oscillators are they're really important. So this is a signal for a strong buy. So I'm gonna make the trade like this. So I'm gonna make a trade. But if you have a strong buy here and a buy, don't make the trade because the oscillators are less reliable than moving average. So, but it's better if you have the strong buy, and the strong buy. That's the best signal for you to trade. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down in the description to how to use this strategy. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a thumbs up. So, that's it for today, guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching.